How to keep all your playlists on YouTube private. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to keep all your playlists on YouTube private, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to youtube.com, and now this is the home page. As you can see, click on those three lines here in the top corner and you will find many options here. Go down and click on the settings option. After you click on the settings option, it will take you to this page right here. Now here you will find other options. Choose the privacy options right here. And here you go. Now right here you will find the playlist private option. You can turn it on so your playlist become private. And if you want your playlist to become public, just turn it off. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.